5 reasons why men need to avoid stomach ulcer. But what is a stomach ulcer? A stomach ulcer is a sore that develops in the stomach, either by infection or by worm. When worm want to eat or they find something sugary in your stomach, they start piercing, and during that piercing they develop a sore or create a sore in your stomach, and with this you develop a stomach ulcer. So what are the reasons why you need to avoid a stomach ulcer as a man? The reasons are many, but I am going to share few reasons why you should avoid stomach ulcer. Or these reasons are the effects of stomach ulcer to men. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the reasons and what you will need to do in order to get rid of stomach ulcer naturally. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what are the reasons why men should avoid a stomach ulcer? The reasons are: number 1, stomach ulcer affects your immune system. Any man that experiences stomach ulcer or undergoes stomach ulcer, his immune system will be affected because your immune system is no longer able to fight diseases and germs, which will prevent or protect your body system from any harmful effect of infection or bacteria. Your immune system is going to be weak through that stomach ulcer, and weakness of the immune system can also result to infections and germs. So you need to avoid stomach ulcer in order to protect your immune system. Number 2 is that it can lead to emaciation. Yes, the pains you experience from stomach ulcer can lead to emaciation. What do I mean by emaciation? Emaciation is when a man or a woman or any living thing start decrease in size, height and weight. That is emaciation. That is when the body system is no longer growing. That is also emaciation. So men need to avoid stomach ulcer in order to prevent emaciation. And once you start emaciating, that is when you start losing weight. You can never be able to function as a man or to do the things you are supposed to do due to weakness that may result from emaciation. So avoid stomach ulcer in order to prevent emaciation. So another one here is it can cause erectile dysfunction. Yes, stomach ulcer can cause erectile dysfunction because it may cause you not to have a good immune system, and with this you will always experience erectile dysfunction. The soreness in your stomach or the stomach ulcer in your stomach can make you to experience erectile dysfunction because it has weakened the immune system that will help you to fight infections or germs and diseases, which will cause erectile dysfunction. So avoid stomach ulcer in order to prevent erectile dysfunction. Another one here is blood in sperm. Yes, stomach ulcer can cause blood in sperm. How do it cause this? The soreness in your stomach can lead to more blood in your stomach, and when there is blood in your stomach, it can burst or enter into blood vessels, and through these blood vessels it can also enter into your sperm during ejaculation. And not only blood in sperm, it can also cause blood in stool that is blood in sperm and blood in stool. Stomach ulcer can cause blood in stool. So you need to avoid stomach ulcer in order to prevent blood in sperm or blood in stool. Another one here in my list is it will decrease your performance. It will decrease your performance. The soreness can lead to fatigue or weakness of the body system. So once your body system is weak or you are very fatigued, it will lead to poor performance of every man. You cannot be able to do the right things as a man due to weakness or fatigue that stomach ulcer may cause. So these are the 5 reasons why you need to avoid the stomach ulcer in order to perform well as a man. How are you going to provide a solution to stomach ulcer? In case if you have stomach ulcer, all you have to do is to eat frequently and avoid any food that may have solid particles after consumption or after you might have eaten food. Avoid any food that will lead to strong particle. And not only that, the most important is to eat oily food and eat frequently. Do not undergo hunger or avoid infection, because infection can cause stomach ulcer. These are what you need to do in order to avoid stomach ulcer. And once you can be able to avoid the stomach ulcer, it can help you to always perform well as a man and help you to be the best man you want to be. So that is it for today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value from watching this video, hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for watching. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.